Now that you've measured your gasket, let's get it ordered. Follow these simple steps to place your order quickly and accurately. Step 1. Start by visiting AllPointsFPS.com. Then click Custom Gaskets in the top navigation to access the Custom Refrigeration Gasket page. Step 2. Select the profile of your gasket from the Profiles dropdown. It's important to choose the right profile to ensure a perfect fit. Take your time to compare your gasket with the profiles available. Step 3. Measure the existing gasket outside edge to outside edge and round to the nearest 1/16th of an inch. Enter the short and long side dimensions in the drop-downs provided. Double check your measurements before entering them. Accurate measurements are crucial for a proper fit. Step 4. Identify how many sides your gasket has. Most self-contained equipment have 4-sided gaskets. 3-sided gaskets are specific to walk-in cooler and walk-in freezer doors and pass-through units. If you're ordering a 3-sided gasket, specify the configuration. 2 long sides, 1 short side, common for walk-ins, or 1 long side, 2 short sides, common for drawers. Step 5. Use the Name Your Gasket field to label where this gasket will be installed. For example, enter fry freezer or prep cooler to make reordering easier. Step 6. Select the quantity you need and add it to your cart. Once you've added the gasket to your cart, click Proceed to Checkout to complete your order, or click Continue Shopping to add more custom gaskets to your cart. If you're ordering for multiple doors, ensure you select the correct quantity. Once your order is placed, we'll take care of the rest. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you. With Mavrik Gaskets, you get a perfect fit, backed by a 180-day warranty and a 90-day hassle-free return policy. Order with confidence. Thanks for choosing AllPoints.